Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the Lloyds Bank Investment ISA account in this full review for 2025. If you're new here, I'm all about helping you make smart financial decisions, especially when it comes to growing your money tax-free. So, let's jump right in. First off, what's an ISA? It's a tax-efficient savings account in the UK that lets you invest without paying tax on your returns. The Lloyds Bank Investment ISA is designed for those looking to build wealth through stocks, funds, or shares, all wrapped in a user-friendly package. For 2025, Lloyds has updated this account with some exciting features, like a competitive interest rate of up to 5% on cash holdings and access to a wide range of investment options through their app. One of the biggest pros is the flexibility. You can transfer money in and out easily, and it's backed by Lloyds' strong reputation for security. Plus, with no account opening fee and low management costs, it's accessible for beginners. But, let's be real, there are cons too. The investment side means your money isn't guaranteed. Market fluctuations could affect your returns, and there's a minimum deposit of £500 to get started. Also, if you're not tech savvy, the app might take some getting used to. Compared to rivals like HSBC or Vanguard, Lloyds stands out for its customer service and integration with other Lloyds banking products, making it a seamless choice if you're already a customer. Overall, for 2025, this ISA is a solid pick for moderate investors aiming for long-term growth. Before you dive in, always check the latest terms on the Lloyds website, as rates can change. If you're thinking about opening one, I recommend consulting a financial advisor to see if it fits your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. What's your take on investment ISAs? Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.